Hello students, welcome to the class on Principles of Management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti and I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management of Assam Downtown University. In this presentation, the students will be learning about the distinction between management and administration. To begin with, I shall provide a brief introduction about the definitions of these two terms, that is management and administration, so that the students may have a clear picture before I go in details about the distinction between these two terms. Management consists of the interlocking functions of creating corporate policy and organizing, planning, controlling, and directing an organization's resources in order to achieve the objectives of that policy. While administration refers to the group of individuals who are in charge of creating and enforcing rules and regulations, or those in leadership positions who complete important tasks. So from these small definitions, we can see that administration refers to the group of individuals who are in charge of creating and enforcing rules and regulations. Means we can say that, as it was already discussed previously about the three levels of management, it will not be wrong to say that the top level management comprise of the administrators. They are the people who actually enforce rules and regulations and make strategies and plans for the fulfillment of the organizational objectives. While on the other hand, the other two levels of management, as we had already discussed, the middle level and the lower level management, comprises of the managers at both the levels who actually incorporate the different functions of management like planning, organizing, controlling, and directing, and work together and collectively at the ground level to actually implement the strategies that has been prepared by the administration and with the objective of fulfilling the long-term goals of the organization. So these are the small concepts of both management and administration, which through which the students will be able to better understand the two terms. And in my upcoming presentations, it will be easier for the students to understand about the distinction between management and administration in a much better way. Thank you.